Hi, I'm Aisling and welcome to my home. So today I'm going to bring you through the transformation of my island using our acoustic wall panels. I chose walnut as I want to inject a bit of warmth into my colour scheme. So I'm going to take you through how to do this now. Okay, so this is my panel. I have the walnut colour here. Each panel is 2.4 metres high. So we have done 2 cuts, so you will need 2 panels for this job, and we have a bit of waste. To cut the panel, we used a jigsaw. To install, we have 2 options. We have a silicone option or we have a hidden screw option. Obviously, if you're going into perfect walls, we do recommend the silicone option. So now I'm going to install with silicone because we don't want to drill into the island. So we take our tube of silicone and we place under carefully and we push to set. And now we move on to the second part. So every time we need to be careful. We have an exposed side and we have a side with felt. So now we're matching into the side with felt. So we've got to flip this around. And again, silicone. And finally, we have our third panel, which again, we have to flip around. And we've already pre-cut this using a standing knife. Very easy to cut on the vertical. The felt will just cut straight through. And we're done.